1972 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Nice looking car with a great stance to it. Check that out. 350 V8 power underneath the hood, so small block Chev. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Cowl induction hood. It's kind of a medium charcoal metallic, I guess let's say. The black stripes, great looking color combination on this car. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Bright work as far as the grille, headlight, surrounds. Chrome looks good, bright work looking good. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing polished 5-spoke wheels. Radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight. Paint laid on this one extremely nice. As you can see, nice shine to it. Not full of any major nicks, dings, dents, scratches. Nice two-tone interior too, highlighting the black and gray exterior just perfectly. There are some Autometer aftermarket gauges, as you can see. Pioneer stereo, GT steering wheel, and we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run in just a bit. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Sorry about the noise in the background. Detail over on the other side of the building getting after some dirty cars, so we can get them cleaned up. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. This is a painted stripe. It's not vinyl. It's painted, appears to be cleared over, so it's the way to do it. And again, you can see paint has a nice shine to it, shows well. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. uniqueclassiccars.com. 8.5 10-bolt rear end on this one. So 8.5 inch 10-bolt rear end. The technician that looked at this one did note there was some very minor seeps, engine bay area. Nothing over the top, anything out of the ordinary for a car that's been driven a little bit. And this one, you know what? Get in, turn the key, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, local cruise-ins, your local shows. I would not be embarrassed to show this car one bit whatsoever. So we look down this driver's side again. You can see the paint laid on there nicely. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice shine to it. If you like these early 70s Novas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can either do that online or right off our showroom floor. So that door panel looks good. Seating surfaces as well. So again, vinyl, cloth combination. Free of any major rips, tears, holes. A little bit of wear in the piping right there, as you can see. Up the headliner looking good. Both visors intact. Rear seat also looks good. Seat belts intact. Let's fire it up. This is a great sounding car. I did have the windshield wipers working. Also had the Pioneer radio working. All right, voltmeter comes up. Fuel gauge coming up. Tachometer working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. And oil pressure and radio. Previous owner did note, does have a horn button. It's just over here down on the side. Top of the dash, looking good. Sounds like this has a little cam to it too. Door closes nicely. Hey, there's a little rumble coming out of that 350. Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, HEI ignition, and let's go check that out. Paired up with that turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Let me pause it and get the hood open. There's the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There we go. Good looking engine compartment too. Headers. Again, power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Some nice bright work for those polished aluminum valve covers and air cleaner cover. There's also a battery disconnect right over here. So when it's in between drives or maybe in storage. Aluminum radiator, it looks like. An electric fan. Nice setup. This one's ready to drive. Get in, turn the key and go. Have some fun. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. 507-386-1726 number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can check out all the still pics. Of course, we can assist with transportation. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving the 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Very smooth running, very nice, well done car. Steering super easy to steer, yet very tight and responsive. Pro Cop gauges and a carbon fiber looking dash panel. Very snappy throttle response. This is an automatic on the column. But that really doesn't reduce the fun at all because it's quite peppy. So the fuel tank is showing 3/4 full. Our volt gauge is showing over 14. Tachometer on the left is working. Speedometer also working as it should. The water temperature about 160 and rising, and the oil pressure approximately 70 to 75 psi. Blower motor works. Wipers also work on this car. Pioneer stereo. That is working really good. Cloth and vinyl bench seat combination in this car, matching the exterior very well, gray and black, or silver if you will. Headliner looking really good. Power brakes very smooth. You can tell this car was done well. It's just the details are there, especially in the handling and the feel. Corner's nice and flat. Acceleration very good. Just a great cruiser. Very comfortable to go on a nice long cruise and looking good. Take a look at all the pictures of this 72 Nova at UniqueClassicCars.com.